Time Out for Health, brought to you by Straub, proud healthcare partner of UH Athletics.
Hi, I'm Dr. Spencer Chang, and this is Sam Esperanza. Today we're going to talk about dynamic stretching. In the past, what we all used to do was static stretching, and static stretching is sort of like where you're kind of like lying down and trying to, stretch your legs or such. And we've actually found over the course of years that static stretching can actually be detrimental to high-powered sports that involve a lot of movement, like football or sprinting, soccer, etc. And so what we're going to show you today is some dynamic stretching. Sam's going to show us some dynamic stretching for hip mobility at this time. And what you'll see is that there's movement involved, as opposed to static stretching where you're kind of just leaning and trying to stretch muscles. The thing about dynamic stretching is that it starts to bring blood flow to your legs, it warms it up, and that actually gets you ready for the sporting event you're going to do. Okay, Sam's now going to show us a dynamic stretch. She's going to do some hip swings. And the difference between this versus a static stretch is you can see she's moving. It's much more like the actual movements that you're going to do when you're doing your sporting activity. So this is much more relevant to your explosive type of exercise when you're doing football, basketball, or running. And it's going to be better than doing your hurdle stretch prior to your exercise routine. Okay, Sam is going to show us what a static stretch looks like. This is like your typical hurdler stretch. And a static stretch, what we used to do it like prior to your workout routine, but this is something you should be doing after your workout routine. You want to do your stretches when you're warmed up. And static stretches before, we used to do them when you're a coach, which would be detrimental to your muscles and getting to your workout routine. So this is something we want to do at the end of the workout. Again, I'm Dr. Spencer Chang from Straub Clinic and Hospital, and those were some dynamic stretches that you can do to help you stay in the game.
Straub is a proud healthcare partner of UH Athletics.